Hi, welcome to We Learn It, a platform to upgrade yourself. Today, we will look at the 50 multiple choice question answers of Basic Computer. And this is part 2 of this series. If you want to see the first video of this series, then please watch this video by clicking on this I button, or I have given the link in descriptions. So now let's begin. The first question is, arrange in ascending order the units of memory, like terabyte, kilobyte, gigabyte and megabyte. So let's look at the option. Option number A, TB, MB, GB and KB. Option number B, MB, GB, TB and KB. Option number C, TB, GB, MB and KB. And option number D, GB, MB, KB and TB. So the correct answer is C, and that is terabyte, gigabyte, megabyte and kilobyte. Let's go to the second question. The brain of computer system is, your options are ALU, CPU, memory and mouse. The correct answer is CPU, known as Central Processing Unit. Let's move to the third question, and that is, which of the following is not a valid storage device? Your options are mouse, hard disk, DVD and pen drive. So the correct answer of this question is mouse, because the hard disk, DVD and pen drive can be used to store the data. Let's move to the fourth question, and that is, every computer connected to the internet is identified by a unique 4-part string, and that string known as, your options are IP address, host name, domain name, none of the above. So here the correct answer is IP address, because every computer in the world has its own unique IP address. Let's move to the next question, and that is, which computer generation has used the artificial intelligence? The options are first generation, second generation, third generation and fourth. The correct answer of this question is fourth generation. Now let's move to the next question, and that is, what ENIAC stand for? Your options are Electronic Network Interactive Analytic Computer, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, Electronic Network Integrated Analytical Computer, or Electronic Numerical Integrated Automatic Computer. The correct answer of this question is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. In short, we call as a ENIAC. Now let's move to the next question, and that is, which of the following memories must be refreshed many times per second? The options are static RAM, dynamic RAM, pen drive, ROM. So the correct answer of this question is dynamic RAM. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Options are 1 KB equal to 1024 bytes, 1 MB equal to 2048 bytes, 1 MB equal to 1000 kilobytes, and 1 KB equal to 1000 bytes. So the correct answer is 1 KB equal to 1024 bytes. Now let's go to the next question, and that is, USB is a device used to store the data, and what it stands for. It means what USB stand for. Your options are unlimited service band, unlimited serial bus, universal serial bus, and universal service bus. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, and that is universal serial bus. Let's move to the next question. What PNG refers to? What PNG stand for? Your options are image file, movie or animation file, audio file, or MS Office document. So the correct answer of this question is image file. We find PNG and JPEG extensions with images or pictures. Now let's move to the next question. 1 gigabyte is equal to, your options are 1024 bytes, 1024 kilobytes, 1024 megabytes, or 1024 terabytes. So the correct answer is 1024 megabytes. Now let's move to the next. The 4th generation computers are based on, options are transistors, integrated circuits, VLSI microprocessor, or ULSI microprocessors. The correct answer is VLSI microprocessors. Let's move to the next question. Malware is the short form for malicious software and used to refer, your options are spyware, worm, virus, or all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. The next question. What is the best way to protect your hard drive data? Options are scanning, backup, defragmentation, or deleting junk files. The correct answer is taking backup of your hard drive. Now let's go for the next question. The computer language used for artificial intelligence is Fortran, Prolog, C language, or COBOL language. The correct answer is C. We use C language for artificial intelligence. Our next question is, what JPEG stand for? Your options are Joint Picture Encoding Graphics, Joint Photographic Experts Group, Joint Photo Edit Grid, or Joint Picture Express Grid. The correct answer of this question is Joint Photographic Experts Group. Let's go to the next question. SD card is a memory card where data is stored. So what does SD card stand for? Your options are Secure Digital, Scan Disk, Short Drive, or Slot Disk. The correct answer of this question is Secure Digital. The next question is, the information stored in dash is erased when the computer is turned off. It means there is a device in computer, and when you turn off it, the information will get erased. So what device is that? Your options are ROM, RAM, BIOS, or CPU. The correct answer is RAM. That's the reason RAM is known as temporary memory. Let's go to the next question. What does HTTP stand for? Your options are Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hyper-Timed Text Protocol, Hopper Transfer Text Protocol, or Hopper Text Timer Protocol. So the correct answer of this question is Hypertext Transfer protocol. Let's move to the next question. A standard computer keyboard has how many keys? Your options are 84, 94, 104 or 114. So the correct answer is 104. 104, the standard computer keys will be there on every keyboard. Let's move to the next question. A program that allows us to do specific tasks. Your options are application software, system software, Windows 2000 or Windows XP. So the program that allows a user to do specific tasks is called as application software. Let's move to the next question. A character has how many bits? Your options are 4, 8, 12 and 16. So the correct answer is 8. The next question is, which protocol sends electronic mail? So while sending emails, which protocol is being used? The options are Outlook Express, POP POP3, FTP or SMTP. So the correct answer is SMTP. So the server uses SMTP protocol to send emails. Let's move to the next question. A dash is a software program used to view the web pages. So which software is used to view the web pages over the internet? Your options are site, host, link or browser. Keep in mind, we are talking about a software. So here the software is browser. So we use browser to view any web pages or websites like Google, Yahoo, Opera, etc. Let's move to the next question. What type of connector is used to plug a telephone line into a modem? Your options are COM1, RJ45, RJ11 or RJ10. The correct answer is RJ11. Let's move to the next question. Dash is a technology that allows telephone calls to be made over computer networks like the internet. So which technology that allows telephone calls to be made over computer network using internet? Options are VoIP, GSM, modem or CDMA. So the correct answer is VoIP. Next question is, a network of computers and other devices that is confined to a relatively small space is called as wide area network, local area network, global area network, peer-to-peer network. The correct answer of this question is local area network, which is also known as LAN. The next question is, first generation computer used dash for memory. Options are vacuum tubes, silicon chips, magnetic drums or RAM. The correct answer is silicon chips. Let's move to the next question. EPROM can be used for dash. Options are erasing the contents of ROM, reconstructing the contents of ROM, erasing and reconstructing the contents of ROM, or duplicating ROM. So why do we use EPROM in the computers? The answer is erasing the contents of ROM. Let's move to the next question. Webcam is an dash. So what kind of device is it? Your options are input unit device, output unit device, processing device, or input and output devices. So we use webcam to shoot the pictures or videos. So it is input device of the computer. Let's move to the next question. Bit stand for. So what bit stand for? Options are binary digits, bit of system, a part of byte, or all of above. So the correct answer is binary digits. The next question is, to identify TCP/IP errors such as connection and problems, dash command can be used. To identify connectivity problem of a computer, what kind of command is used? Options are FTP, ping, POP3, or STP. The correct answer is ping. We use ping command to check the TCP/IP or network problem. Next question is, C, BASIC, COBOL, and Java are examples of dash language. Your options are low level programming, computer, or high level. The correct answer is high level language. Let's move to the next question. Regarding data, our computers are very good at dash. Options are store, it means storing the data, or processing the data, or retrieving the data, or all of above. So the correct answer is all of above, because computers are very good at storing the data, processing the data, and we can also get them easily. Let's go to the next question. LAN is an abbreviation for. So what LAN is stand for? Options are large access network, local access network, large area network, local area network. The correct answer of this question is local area network. Let's move to the next question. Name of the screen that recognize touch input. Options are recognizing screen, point screen, touch screen, Android screen. So the screen that recognizes the touch inputs is known as touch screen. Let's go to the next question. First generation of computer was based on which technology? Your options are transistors, LSI, VLSI, or vacuum tube. The right answer is vacuum tube. By using vacuum tubes, we have built the first generation of computers. Let's move to the next question. Computer monitor is also known as. So what is the other name of computer monitor? Your options are DVU, UVD, VDU, or CCTV. And the correct answer is VDU, which is known as Visual Display Unit. The next question is, which one of these stores more data than a DVD? Your options are CD-ROM, floppy, Blu-ray disc, or Red-Ray disc. So in comparison of DVD, which one of these has more capacity to store the more data? So the right answer is Blu-ray disc. Let's go to the next question. The box that contains the central electronic components of the computer is known as. So what do we call that box where the central electronic components are stored or are fixed? Your options are motherboard, system unit, peripheral, or RAM. So the correct answer is motherboard, where central electronics items, devices are fixed on. Let's go to the next question. which one is the result of the output given by a computer? Your options are data, instructions, information, or acceleration. The correct answer of this is information. Let's go to the next question. Which one of these also known as read or write memory? Your options are ROM, RAM, DVD, or hard disk. And the correct answer is RAM. Let's go to the next question. The printed output from a computer is called as. So when we get a print from computer, what do you call that copy? Options are copy, soft copy, hard copy, or paper. The right answer is hard copy. Let's move to the next question. Identify the devices through which data and instructions are entered into a computer. So by using which devices a user can enter the instruction to the computers. Your options are software, output devices, input devices, or memory. So the correct answer is input devices. By using input device, we instruct to the computers. Let's move to the next question. MS Word is an example of. Options are an operating system, a processing device, an application software, or an input device. So the correct answer is it's an application software. Let's move to the next question. A computer cannot boot if it does not have this dash. If this device is not there in the computer, then computer will not boot. Let's look at the options. Compiler, loader, operating systems, or assembler. And the right answer is operating system. Without operating system, we cannot boot computer. Now let's move to the next question. A junk email is also called as. It means what is the other name of junk email? Your options are spam, spoof, sniffer script, or spool. The junk email is also known as spam. Now let's move to the next question. What ALU is stand for? Your options are Arithmetic and Logic Unit, Application and Logic Unit, Array Logic Unit, or none of above. So the correct answer of this question is Arithmetic and Logic Unit. Now let's move to the last question of this session, and that is, by default your document print in dash mode. So when you type something in the computer applications like MS Word, Excel, etc., by default in which mode they are? Your options are landscape, portrait, page setup, or print view. So here we get only two types of modes while taking printout, and that is landscape and portrait. So by default in the computer we get the portrait mode. So friends, hope you enjoyed this session. If you like this session, then please hit the like button. And friends, if you want to upgrade your skills like spoken English, grammar, computer, communications, interview skills, GKs, then please subscribe and visit our channel on daily basis. So thanks for watching. Have a great time.